sky's getting darker, the clouds are rolling in. It's the same old situation I always find myself in. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Midnight on the water, and the star above the ridge. I found my father's ghost sleeping under a bridge. 6 in the morning, woken up by a cop, and I wonder if the nightmares are ever gonna stop. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Oh, memories of magic and crystal in the hills. You said you'd come and find me, but I know you never will. So take up all your worries and make a little song. It's best to keep it simple so we can sing along. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Big blue world keeps rolling on. Blue fog in the valley and the mountains glowing gold. And I found my way to town as the sun split the cold. I sat down on the sidewalk, read a sign across the street. Said Jesus and the Magdalene made love here last week. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Well, the preacher shared his breakfast and shivered as he spoke. He said things are getting harder and my spirit's almost broke. And I used to work for miracles and live for signs of grace. Now I'm praying for my soup and I'm just trying to hold my place. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Oh, memories of magic and crystal in the hills. You said you'd come and find me, but I know you never will. So take up all your worries and make a little song. It's best to keep it simple so we can sing along. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Big blue world keeps rolling on. Well, a man in the alley told me things would be okay if I lined up all my problems and shot them all away. And I found an empty building and the rain's coming down, but there's cops on every corner that wanna run me out of town. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Well, I hear the highway calling and a freight train rolling slow. I'm gonna find the secret rivers running through my soul. 'Cause the days are getting longer, these games are getting old. I'm gonna leave the city world and get back out on the road. Hey, I'm just drifting on. Oh, memories of magic and crystal in the hills. You said you'd come and find me, but I know you never will. So take up all your worries and make a little song. It's best to keep it simple so we can sing along. Hey, I'm just drifting on.
where the lights of the strip mall go marching on from sea to shining sea. And the Walmart sign, it stays on all night, making the poor to feed the poor. Well, you're taking the bus to the midnight shift and you never get to sleep at night. Well, that's okay, cause you'll drink away all your overdue overtime pay. And oh, it's the end of America's dreams. Oh, say goodbye to your middle class means. Well, your father said you could be what you wanna be, a rodeo clown or the president. But the school bell rings and you're 45, 2 kids in a house that you can't afford. Well, you're dancing America's two-step, working 55 hours a week. But don't you fret, cause I'll make a bet that you're holding out a Hollywood set. Oh, it's the end of America's dreams. Oh, say goodbye to your middle class means. Welcome to the new state, the poor and broken down. Alleyways and long hard days, no home to call your own. Well, you may feel rejected, cold and all alone, but I'm telling you, son, that you're not done. It's a whole new family. Oh, it's the end of America's dreams. Oh, say goodbye to your middle class means. Oh, it's the end of America's dreams. Oh, say goodbye to your middle class means. Tennessee. He got a one-way ticket to Vegas to live a dream. With the roll of the dice, he sacrificed every bit of sanity. Well, I saw the lights of Vegas sweep him clean. And he said, oh Lord, I'm taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Well, I heard about a man in Arkansas. Well, he told me he was looking for a job. He tried everything he could, and he did what they said he should. But I saw Arkansas take it all. And he said, oh Lord, you're taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Well, I saw a gal standing in some town. Well, she was holding up a sign for downtown, looking for some work. She just needs a little perk. Well, I saw society just to let her be. She said, oh Lord, you're taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Whoa, hey! Across this land, I try to see the beauty the best I can. Well, I look to the east and I look to the west, where every chain has raped your land the best they can. And we sing, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I said, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, sing it with me. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, let me hear it sing it. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I said, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now. Oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today.
Make more mistakes than a drunken musketeer. I hit my head, I stub my toe, I holler out in fear. Why can't I get it right? Why is life such a chore? And then I refill the Brita, spill it on the floor. If it was easy, would I really care? If it was easy, would I really be there? The devil may tease me into his dark lair, but I hope he'll release me in time for the fair. We're out of paper towels and the dog needs a walk. Just around then my phone starts to squawk. My boss is waiting for me at the door. He hates waiting, but I'll make him wait some more. If it was easy, would I really care? If it was easy, would I really be there? The devil may tease me into his dark lair, but I hope he'll release me in time for the fair. Make a splash with my prize-winning hog. I'll watch a man carve a bear from a log. The headlights are bright on that oncoming train, but they only get brighter when I feel no pain. If it was easy, would I really care? If it was easy, would I really be there? The devil may tease me into his dark lair, but I hope he'll release me in time for the fair. I hope he'll release me in time for the fair.